Hey guys, and welcome to today's Wix tutorial. In this video I'll explain to you how to add, link and customize any button on your Wix website. Now real quick before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, please let me know by leaving a comment and just tell me that it worked for you, because that way I know the tutorial is up to date. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you're gonna go over to the place on your website where you'd like to add a button. Now let's say it's right below this text. All you'd have to do is to simply go over to Add Elements. You're gonna go over to Button. You can then choose any of the buttons right here. So now for me, I like this button most because it kind of matches the font and style of the website, even though the color is not optimized yet, but we will get to that later. And then the next thing you're going to do is to simply change the color if you'd like. So you're gonna go over to Design, Customize Design, Background Fills. And here you can choose any color, so this one it is for me. Then the next thing is how to link it to any other thing on your website. So what you just need to do is to go over to Link, and you can then link it to a page, a web address, a section or an anchor. Now if you don't know what that is, or if you'd like to know how to use it, go over to the icon in the top right and you will see my tutorial on how to use sections and anchors on your Wix website. You can also make it move you to the top or bottom of your website. You can add a document, email, phone number, or a lightbox. So now for me, I'd like it to link to a page, in this case the About Us page. You're then going to hit on Done. You can go over to Settings right here and make it change the text, so About Us. And then when you click on it, you will be sent over to the About Us page on my website. So now if you go over to the website preview, you'll actually see that when you click on About Us, you'll be sent over to the About Us page. So there's a few more changes you can make to this button. If you simply go over to Layout, you can choose the alignment. You can choose if it's text only, text and icon, maybe icon only, or even nothing. Now if you'd like, you also have the option to add an animation or an effect to your button. For example, the fade, shutter, turn, or any of the other ones listed right here. You can also go over to Customize if you'd like a custom effect on your button. You can add a loop, scroll or mouse effect. And then lastly, if you're not happy with the button you've chosen, you can change it to any other button that's available on Wix Studio. Now, if this tutorial helped you out, please let me know by leaving a like and commenting it worked for me or something like that, so that I know this tutorial is still up to date. Thank you so much and have a great day.